For new Opsified accounts, modules remain locked until your subscription payment is set up. Click the Add Payment button to begin. First, select your payment type. We use Zendit as our secure default payment portal. Next, select the branch you are activating this subscription for. Under Subscription Plan, select Basic, then choose your preferred billing plan, either monthly or annual. You can also enhance your plan with optional add-ons. This includes extending your system capacity, adding user license bundles, or enabling the project and task management module. If you have a discount code, enter it and click Apply to update your total. Review your subscription summary. Once everything looks correct, click Submit. You will be redirected to Zendit Payment Portal. From there, authorize and complete your transaction. Once your payment is processed, simply log back in with your credentials. You'll find all your basic subscription features ready for you to explore.